I have been a procurement officer in 14 years. I specialize in logistics department. One of my rules is to monitor all the transactions from the supplier down to our offices and workspaces. I create letter of intent for the suppliers and log the materials into the inventory system. After I have studied the rules and regulations and the material requirements which I will procure, I will apply my strength in consistency and discipline. By strictly applying this, I can show my loyalty to the company. I want to be a part of the growth of the company. I want I am looking for a company that I could add value to, that I could produce a positive return of investment. Where where can I join a strong team? Is this Albagen corporation is looking for?